Magandang araw mga kamao. Patuloy pa rin ang tagumpay ng ating pambansang kamao Manny Pacquiao. Biruin mo, siya lang ang kaunang-unahang boksingero na nanalo ng 12 major world titles sa 8 magkakaibang weight divisions. Nakuha rin niya ang mga lineal championship titles sa 5 magkakaibang weight divisions. Wala na sigurong boksingero ang makakabasag ng record niya. Ayon sa mga boxing historians, kasama na si Pacquiao sa listahan ng greatest professional boxers of all time. Kung tutuusin, wala na siyang dapat patunayan. Pwede na nga siyang magretiro sa boxing para magpakasaya na lang at tumutok sa politika. Pero ayon sa kanya, hinahanap-hanap pa rin daw ng katawan niya ang lumaban sa loob ng ring. Kaya itutuloy pa rin daw niya ang pagboboxing hanggang kaya pa ng katawan niya. Pero mga kamao, alam nyo ba, noong nagsisimula pa lang umusbong ang kanyang professional boxing career may isang Pilipinong boksingero ang nagbigay ng unang talo niya. Hindi lang yun, tinalo pa siya nito via knockout. Pero bago ang lahat mga kamao, nais ko munang batiin ang mga masugid nating mga kamao subscribers na sina Robert De Guzman, Tessie Esto, Sarcastic Me, Weeds, Patrick Ganoy, Rick Janchua, Kyle Cusio, Wendell Dagle, Jansen Kalingasyon, at Relix Palmes. Salamat sa parating pagsubaybay at mabuhay kayo mga kamao. Mga kamao, siya ang Pilipino light flyweight boxer na si Rustico Torrecampo Jr. Ipinanganak siya sa Davao City at tumira sa Tondo, Maynila. Ang professional boxing record niya ay 15 wins with 8 wins via way of knockout, 8 losses, and 6 draws. Naglaban si Pacquiao at Torrecampo noong February 9, 1996. Nagginanap sa Mandaluyong City, Metro Manila. Pero bago magsimula ang laban, overweight si Pacquiao dahil hindi niya naabot ang 106 pound limit. Kaya ang penalty niya pinagsuot siya na mas mabigat na gloves. Ang bigat ng gloves nasa 8 ounce. Di tulad ng suot na gloves ni Torrecampo na 6 ounce lang. Kitang-kita ang pagkakaiba ng dalawa. Kahit na mas matangkad at overweight si Pacquiao, malapad at maskulado naman ang pangangatawan ni Torrecampo. Natural slugger si Torrecampo. Hindi siya tumitigil sa pag-atake. Kahit na halos lahat ng kombinasyon na atake ni Pacquiao nasasalunan niya. Dikit ang score nilang dalawa sa round 1 and round 2. Pero pagdating ng round 3, nakatsyempo si Torrecampo ng isang solid counter left hook na tumama mismo sa panga ni Pacquiao. Bumagsak ito at hindi na nagawang makabangon ni Pacquiao sa countdown ng referee. Nanalo si Rustico Torrecampo Jr. laban kay Manny Pacquiao sa round 3 via knockout. Isang taon pagkatapos ng laban nila ni Manny Pacquiao, nagretiro si Rustico Torrecampo Jr. sa boxing dahil sa problema sa kaliwang kamay. Noong 2007, nakulong at nakasuhan si Torrecampo ng murder pagkatapos niyang saksakin at mapatay ang driver ng truck ng basura dahil sa aksidenteng nabangga nito ang kanyang food cart. Nakapagpiyansa naman si Torrecampo noong mga panahon na iyon.
£1 over the stipulated weight limit of 111. As a result of that, he's going to have to wear 8-ounce gloves. That's going to be a disadvantage. This young boy didn't want to reduce, decided to take the odds, and we've been told that he's fighting with 8-ounce gloves. So that's a disadvantage. If you're a quick fighter, got quick hands, heavier weight, harder to hit.
That's right, and not only that, takes a little bit of sting of your punches because as you wear heavier gloves, then your punches have less of an impact when they land on your opponent. Now, Torrecampo is a slugger.
Both tough boys.
Yes, Torrecampo, as we mentioned at the top of our coverage, has scored brilliant knockouts here on Blow by Blow, stopping the previously unbeaten Reynante Rojo and Marvin Corpus. Here we go, Torrecampo
walking to the body. Torrecampo in blue, Pacquiao in white. Pacquiao very definitely a height and reach advantage. But Torrecampo has come to fight and he's come to slug it out. I mean, he's not concerned about the reputation of the unbeaten Manny Pacquiao. Torre Campo really going after Pacquiao early in this fight, working to the body.
Well, I think Torre Campo wants to deliver a statement here to Manny Pacquiao that he is not at all phased by the reputation of the unbeaten fighter. It's been Torre Campo from the start smoking.
Actually, Pacquiao might have a rude awakening in this fight.
Torre Campo is a big puncher. And,
Pacquiao connects with the left from under.
and one thing about Manny Pacquiao, he really has not been tested.
He's not been really tested.
Yes, that's right. He
Oh,
really
good
has
left by
faced a
Torre
hard
Campo.
puncher.
They tie each other up. Torre Campo setting the pace early in this fight.
Yes. Now we are scheduled for 10. Torre Campo being very, very
Oh, he
active
caught
here.
Pacquiao with a good left.
Of course, you raise the question whether Torre Campo can keep this blistering pace to the end. That is, of course, if Manny Pacquiao
Pacquiao with a good,
assault.
good flurry of punches that time. But as I said, the heavier gloves are not going to help him when it comes to punching. He goes after Torre Campo. Beautiful right uppercut by Pacquiao. With the crowd on its feet. He goes after Torre Campo. They're really slugging it out there. Torre Campo connects with the hard right. Pacquiao with the left from under. This fight won't go 10 rounds.
Well, the way it's going, Manny Pacquiao looking also for a quick knockout.
Yes,
here.
I mean, I think he's being angered, and he thinks that, you know, he's left. Oh, beautiful left by Pacquiao. Flush on the face of Torre Campo. That was a big punch. Uppercut by Pacquiao.
Pacquiao's moving in Torre Campo. I mean, this is a slugfest. Torre
Oh,
Campo
beautiful
is getting
looping
hit.
right and a left by Pacquiao.
Torre Campo.
Oh, cracking right by Pacquiao again. What a fight. What a
Yes.
fight.
Oh, Pacquiao showing better defense, better footwork than Torre Campo.
There goes the bell. Rip roaring round. The bell for round number 2. Manny Pacquiao in the white trunks with the red stars and stripes down the side against hard-hitting Rustico Torre Campo in blue. And the first round has been nothing but action.
Ronnie, medyo nagulat yata si Torre Campo with that late assault of Manny Pacquiao.
Yeah.
Torre Campo thought that he had the fight well in control. All of a sudden, ito si Pacquiao started dancing and connecting Muhammad Ali style.
They're really slugging it out. I mean, they're really throwing some big bombs, these two fighters.
And look at the way Manny Pacquiao is holding on to that right arm of Torre Campo. It looks like this youngster has learned a few tricks.
Oh, he missed with the left uppercut. Pacquiao going with the 1-2.
One thing about Pacquiao, he's steady with the combination.
And he's quick on his feet.
Yes. And what makes him, of course, even more dangerous is the fact that he likes to fight south.
Oh. What good combination again by Pacquiao. You know, this is his best fight so far. I mean, he's met a classy opponent.
Yes. Well, he's showing tremendous confidence. He's striking with that right jab and then connecting with the left hook. Torre Campo sort of stopped in his tracks.
Pacquiao with a good combination again. Torre Campo is staggered. He hurt Torre Campo that time, Kinito.
Yes.
But Torre Campo is fighting back. It's nailed by Pacquiao.
And look at the way Pacquiao moves away from trouble. Good lateral movement on the part of Manny Pacquiao. Has a lot of moves for a young kid.
But this Torre Campo is really a gutsy fighter
Oh,
too.
yes.
I mean, he's tough as they come.
Hindi din nagpapalamang ito si Rustico Torre Campo. Notice the intelligence of Manny Pacquiao.
Oh, good combination against Pacquiao. Oh, another cracking combination by Pacquiao.
Almost out on his feet.
Pacquiao going after Torre Campo. Cracking right. Another right by Torre Campo, by Pacquiao. And Torre Campo is trying to fight back, but he's getting nailed time and time again by Pacquiao.
A classic display of great craftsmanship here by Manny Pacquiao. He waits for Torre Campo to miss, and then he moves in with his combinations. What perfect timing. Torre Campo, rubbery leg. Manny Pacquiao taking his time and going for the kill. He's teaching Torre Campo a lesson.
Using the right jab very, very effectively and putting the combination together nicely.
Oh, that left hook connected.
With a hard left, that time the heads clashed. And Pacquiao walking to the body and cracking him to the head. Torre Campo trying to fight back. Another good right by Pacquiao. Torre Campo in trouble, but they are exchanging big punches. There goes the bell, end of round number 2. We're going to take a break. What a fight this is. Up next, San Miguel be a main event. Former world champion Rolando Pascua against Rafi Montalban. 12 rounds of boxing for the Junior Bantamweight Championship of the Philippines.
Ronnie,
Right now,
this appetizer we're covering can actually serve as a main event in itself.
you bet.
It is action-packed. Pacquiao versus Torre Campo, and that's not all, folks. As Ronnie Nathaniel said, upcoming is the Philippine Junior Bantamweight title fight. Jojo Pascua, Rafi Montalban. And
Round number 3. Pacquiao in white, Torre Campo in blue. Torre Campo has carried the fight to Pacquiao.
Oh! Pacquiao! He's out. It's over. Oh my gosh! It's over. One punch. Manny Pacquiao cannot get up. It's over. Manny Pacquiao. It's over. Cannot get up on time. Over. It's over. Manny Pacquiao. One punch, and his eyes are crossed. His eyes are crossed. Torre Campo. Coming out of nowhere, Manny Pacquiao. His eyes are crossed.
You know,
What a punch!
He caught him flush on the mouth.
Oh my gosh! Pacquiao was winning the fight handily, and it just took one punch, and his eyes crossed. Rustico Torre Campo, we told you this guy's got a punch. Torre Campo, you can never count out a puncher in a boxing bout. Manny Pacquiao falling to his first defeat. My gosh, what an upset! Manny Pacquiao is back on his feet. He didn't know what hit him. His eyes crossed. Just one punch.
Flash on the mouth. Now you see this, okay?
Take a look at this.
Slow-mo, okay? And you're going to watch the left of Torre Campo. He's going to catch him. He's going to walk into that left.
Just one punch. One punch. Flush on the jaw of Manny Pacquiao. You take a look at him there. No way he was going to beat that
No
10
way.
count.
No way.
Just one punch. And to think that back in round number 2, I thought that Torre Campo was going down.
Yes. He may have gone down, Kinito, if this boy didn't have to wear the heavier gloves.
Could be, yes.
Okay, you're going to see it one more time in slow-mo. Okay, tentative right by Pacquiao. Then you see he drops his right hand. Watch him, he dropped his right. Yun. Aray!
It was a chin. It was a chin.
Yeah.
And he
Look
got
at his glassy-eyed.
Yes. Glassy-eyed. His eyes got crossed. And you know the point that you made, Ronnie, about the heavier gloves? I think you're so absolutely right. Because as I was mentioning before this fight began, when you're wearing heavier gloves, you lessen the impact of your blows. And despite the heavier gloves, Pacquiao managed to stagger Torre Campo in round number 2. And so if he fought with lighter gloves, Torre Campo would have felt the full impact of the blows of Manny Pacquiao, and maybe Torre Campo would have gone out like a light in round number 2, but didn't happen that way. Maybe Pacquiao should maybe discipline himself a little bit more. If the fight is scheduled for, or has a limit of 111 pounds, he's got to come in at that weight.
Well, the unbeaten streak of Manny Pacquiao is over, but our fight card is not over. We're going to take a break and come back with our main event in a moment.
Mga kamao, kung bagong dayo lang kayo sa channel ko, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon para ma-notify kayo sa mga bagong news and trivias ng mga favorite fighters ninyo. Maraming salamat mga kamao.